Rushali from Rushraj classes. In this video, we are going to cover one important topic of geometry which is for standard 8 as well as for standard 9, and that is quadrilaterals. So in this first video, we are going to see what is the meaning of quadrilateral, what are different types of quadrilateral, what is the difference between these different types of quadrilateral, what are the properties of each and every quadrilateral, and also some interesting aspects regarding these different types. So for that, if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel because we regularly update such educational and motivational videos for the students. So now let's proceed for our today's concept, that is quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a closed polygon with four sides. Here is one example. ABCD is a quadrilateral with four sides, four angles and two diagonals. In this quadrilateral, the four sides are AB, BC, CD and AD. Four angles are angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. The diagonals of this quadrilateral are AC and BD, which intersect at point O. The different types of quadrilaterals are square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium and kite. Now let us see each type of quadrilateral one by one. The first quadrilateral is square. Square is the quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal, all the four angles are equal, two diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect each other at right angle. Now here ABCD is a square where AB is equal to BC, equal to CD, equal to AD. All four angles are equal. This means angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C equal to angle D, and in square each angle is equal to 90 degrees. Two diagonals, that is AC and BD, are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. This means AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO, and they bisect at right angle. AC and BD bisect each other at right angle at point O. Next quadrilateral is rectangle. Rectangle is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal. Here ABCD is a rectangle where AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Even in rectangle, all the four angles are equal and each angle is equal to 90 degrees. So here angle A is equal to angle B, equal to angle C, equal to angle D, and each angle measures 90 degrees. Two diagonals of rectangle are equal. In this rectangle, AC is equal to BD. Diagonals bisect each other. Here AC and BD bisect each other at O. This means AO is equal to CO, BO is equal to DO. Let's see the next quadrilateral, that is parallelogram. Now the parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Here ABCD is a parallelogram where AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD. And the special property of this quadrilateral is opposite sides are parallel. This means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. In this, opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. This means AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. Our next quadrilateral is rhombus. In rhombus, all four sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel. Here ABCD is a rhombus where AB is equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD and opposite sides are parallel. This means AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. The diagonals of rhombus have special property. The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angle. So this means in this rhombus AO is equal to CO and BO is equal to DO. AC and BD bisect each other at point O, making a right angle. Now the angles of the rhombus. Here the opposite angles of rhombus are equal. So in this rhombus, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Trapezium is our next quadrilateral. Trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only one pair of opposite sides which are parallel. So here in this quadrilateral, line A is parallel to line B. This is the only property which the trapezium has. Now in trapezium, if the non-parallel sides, if they are equal, then it is called as isosceles trapezium. Now in the second figure, AB is parallel to CD, so it becomes trapezium. AD and BC are non-parallel sides and these non-parallel sides are equal, that is BC is equal to AD, so this becomes isosceles trapezium. In isosceles trapezium, base angles are equal. This means angle A is equal to angle B and angle C is equal to angle D. This is the next interesting quadrilateral, that is kite. Now kite is the quadrilateral which is formed by two isosceles triangles joined at the common base. Now in this figure, triangle ABD and triangle BCD are isosceles triangles which are joined at the common base, that is BD, and so ABCD forms the kite. In this triangle, AB is equal to AD as angle ABD is an isosceles triangle. BC is equal to DC as triangle BCD is an isosceles triangle. One more special property of kite is about its diagonal. Now here the two diagonals of kite are unequal. The longer diagonal bisects the smaller diagonal at right angle. So in this figure, AC bisects BD at O, making the angle 90 degrees. So we can say here BO is equal to DO. There are some special features about the quadrilaterals, some special quadrilaterals. Now in this we can see square, rectangle, parallelogram and rhombus. Just observe them carefully. Square, rectangle and rhombus are all parallelogram because these quadrilaterals, they have all the properties of a parallelogram. Every rectangle is a parallelogram, but every parallelogram is not a rectangle. Why? Because in rectangle, each angle is 90 degrees. But in each and every parallelogram, angles may not be 90 degrees. Every square is a rhombus, but every rhombus is not a square. The same logic is applied here. In square, all the four angles are right angle, but in each and every rhombus, all the angles may not be 90 degrees. So every square is a rhombus, but every rhombus is not a square. Every square is a rectangle, but rectangle is not a square because a square follows all the properties of rectangle. That is, opposite sides are equal, each angle is 90 degrees. But rectangle is not a square because in rectangle, opposite sides are equal and in square, all four sides are equal. So these are some interesting facts about the quadrilaterals. So these were some interesting notes about the quadrilaterals. So I think by this time, what is the meaning of quadrilateral and all the different types of quadrilateral and the difference between them is quite clear to you. The remaining part, or we can say the next part of this quadrilateral, will be continued in our next video. So please be in touch and thank you for watching this video.